Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sunny Sharma and today we will start with our new topic of word processing. This is very interesting topic as well, and we all have to complete this unit 2 of word processing as it will come in our syllabus of 10th CBSE. So we will start with the word processing. So we all have gone through with this thing, because when we are using a Microsoft Word, whatever the text which we are typing on a Microsoft Word, that represent a complete definition of word processing. All the commands related to home, insert, page layout, references, mailings, review and view, including all these commands consider the total of word processing. So today we will start with our lecture, as well as we will perform a practical also on word processing. So we will start with the session 1 of word processing, that is modifying layout of a paragraph. So what is a paragraph? Whenever we are typing or whenever we are reading a book that is in a form of a paragraph, either we are using a English grammar or a literature or any other subject, science, so SST, whatever the subjects which we are reading are in a form of a paragraph. The topics that we have to cover are in a form of a paragraph. As in my laptop also I have shown you this screen, and this I have opened a text. I have opened one folder, one file which consists of one paragraph. So we have to perform a practical as well as we have to complete this chapter. We can read and we can learn this word processing from this session 1, modifying layouts of a paragraph. So you have already learned about the basics of word processing. Now consider, you have to write a lengthy article to catch the reader's attention. The text should be broken in paragraph to make it more reliable and structured. A text has heading, body of the text and conclusion. So whenever we are starting a paragraph, there consists of a heading of the paragraph, then the body of the paragraph and the complete conclusion that we have to type or read in a paragraph. So first of all, we will already we have typed a paragraph here. I have already typed the paragraph here, and now we will start with the number 1, that is a alignment. So what is a alignment? As in session 1, in paragraph, alignment is the symmetric placement of a text within a section of a document to enhance its reliability. It determines the appearance and orientation of the edges of the paragraph. While writing a letter, you must have noticed that date is aligned on the right side, and by default subject and body of the text is aligned on the left hand side. However, words provide 4 types of alignment as shown in this. So what is alignment? Alignment is this thing as we are performing. First we have to select the text. Whatever the text we have selected, like this text I have selected. Then we came to this alignment. There comes the alignment text left. So when we will click on to the left assignment, the paragraph will reduce towards the left. And when we will click on this middle assignment, that is a center assignment, the paragraph comes in between the center of the page. And when we will click on to the right alignment, then the paragraph will rotate towards the right. The lines, whatever the text we have typed, is rotated towards the right hand side of the page. And again when we will click on this justify, and that means justify means whatever the text which we have started earlier, it comes in the form of as it is in the center of the page. So this comes in the alignment of the text. So there are 4 types of alignment, that is number 1 is aligning the text aligning the text left, aligning the text in between center, aligning the text at the right hand side, and then it comes a justifying. That is, whenever whatever the text we have typed earlier is, it will display that text. So justify it places the text evenly between the left and the right margin. So it will justify it will place the text between the right and the left alignment. It is mainly used for designing books. Whenever we have to type a book, whatever the books, like this is a book and we are reading this book, whatever the text there, the book has to bind also. तो जो भी ये बुक है, इसको मिडल सेंटर अलाइनमेंट में ही हम इसको टाइप करते हैं, और जो कि ये है फिर इसको बाइंडिंग करने में भी हमें इजी रहता है. तो दिस कम्स इन अ पार्ट ऑफ अ अलाइनमेंट, दैट इज अ लेफ्ट अलाइनमेंट, राइट अलाइनमेंट, center alignment and justify. So there are 4 types of alignment in the alignment topic. So what is alignment? Alignment is the symmetric placement of the text within a section of a document to enhance its reliability. So this comes in the alignment. Then we come to the how to make a alignment. We already have done, I already have typed the paragraph here. We just have to how to do with alignment, what to do with the alignment. We just have to click on this paragraph, like I have selected this paragraph, and after the selection of the paragraph, then I have pressed on left alignment, center and middle and justify. So this is how we can work with the alignment, and it is on the home tab of the on this ribbon. So it is on the home tab of the ribbon, and it works as a alignment. Then it comes the next topic is the next one is the indentation. Indentation is the process of increasing and decreasing the space between the left and right margin of the paragraph. So what is a indentation? Indentation is the whatever the text which we have, I have selected this text, and this text is already been typed in this file. So now what is the indentation? Indentation is like this is this shows the this shows the hanging index. Whenever we will type a paragraph, there at the upper and at the lower part of the text, it displays a index at the upper side. So this is a, what is this? This is a indentation. Indentation is left indent. What is this? This represents the left indent, and there comes a column left indent. Left indent indicates the space between the paragraph and the left margin. So this will represent the space between the paragraph and the left margin. So we will say that this is a indent of left hand side. Then it comes at the right. When we will click on the right hand side, it will show you the right indent. So this is a indentation of the paragraph that represent is the process of increasing and decreasing the space between the left and right margin of the paragraph. In Word, there are 4 types of indents. That is, indents are left indent, right indent, and first line indent, and the hanging indent. So what is the first line indent? So this is a left indent, and when we will click on like I am just clicking on the right indent, I am moving my cursor towards the right, and all the paragraph will type towards this left hand side. And then what is the first indent? Right indent, I have already told you, this is the right indent, and whenever we are clicking on the index space and we will just click on to the right hand side, then it will move the text towards the right. तो ये क्या करेगा, जितना टेक्स्ट है टाइप है उसको राइट हैंड साइड और लेफ्ट हैंड साइड अकॉर्डिंग टू दिस लेफ्ट इंडियंट और राइट इंडियंटेशन के अकॉर्डिंग ये इसको मूव कर देगा. उसके बाद फर्स्ट लाइन इंडियंट क्या है, अब जैसे यहाँ पर ये फर्स्ट लाइन पे मैंने क्लिक किया और इस फर्स्ट लाइन को हम इधर ले आए, जैसे ये देखो, दिस इज अ फर्स्ट लाइन इंडियंट. सो वी विल like this is a first line. So this represent the first line Indian. So it will move the text towards the right hand side or left hand side according to the Indian. Now we will press the Ctrl Z and the text will come at the same place as it is. So this is known as a indentation. Indentation is a process of increasing and decreasing the space, decreasing the space between the left and right hand side of the paragraph. So there are four types of indentation: left indentation, right, first line indent and hanging indent. So this represent the indentation of the text. So when we are clicking on this side, like we will click on this side, and whatever the text it will show, whatever the text it will show, it will replace the indentations. So whenever we are moving the text towards the right, there are small angles are there known as the indents, and this will remove the right hand side and left hand side of the line. It will show you the right and left indentations. So it will remove as it is at the same place. So then it comes a identification of using the tab. Already done, we have typed the text here and we just have to click on to the right indentation and left indentation and first line indentation. It will move the cursor according to the text. Like I am this is the first indentation, first line, and I am just using the backspace and space for moving the line. So this is known as a indentation. Then it comes a spacing. So spacing is also very interesting topic. Spacing is very important for readability of a document. So whenever we have to read a paragraph, so there may be some space between the two lines. So whenever we are using this spacing may be paragraph spacing is the amount of space left before and after a paragraph. How much space we have left on the before starting a paragraph and after writing a paragraph. So this is known as a spacing. So spacing is a how much space we have left. This is a vacant space and we have started a paragraph from here. So we can say that how much spaces we have left with this starting में कितनी space छोड़ी है और last में कितनी space छोड़ी है. This is known as a spacing. Now it comes a setting line spacing. So line spacing क्या होती है? A line spacing is a vertical distance between the two lines. So distance between the two lines. They represent the two lines. Like this is written very good morning to all of you, and this line is completed here. Then the next line starts off speech, and we will have to select these two lines, and then we will use the line spacing. So what is the line spacing? Here a chart will pop up of line spacing, like it will consist of 1.15 line spacing. If we will click on to the 1.0, the line will merge. The line will come parallel to each other, and again when we will click on to this line spacing and we will use 2.0, then the complete paragraph will choose the space of 2.0. So in this case the distance between the two lines is 2.0, and we have to increased this space between two lines. Now we again have to go back to the 1.15, and the complete paragraph, the distance between the two lines in this paragraph is in the form of 1.15. So this is known as a setting line spacing. So we have done the practical also while reading this complete chapter. So this is all about in session 1. We have started with a paragraph. What is a paragraph? How can we start a paragraph? We just have to open the Microsoft Word, and from here we will use this new blank document. We came to this blank document, and whenever we click to this blank document and create the document, here we have to start typing the paragraph. Whenever we are starting a typing of paragraph, we can increase the font size or we can decrease the size of the font as it is. Like this is 11, we can choose a 14 or 16, whatever the font size you want. You can click on to the paragraph and start writing this, and then there comes a paragraph writing. So but then it comes the alignment. Now I have typed this text. The second thing is alignment. We have to move this at the center, left alignment, right alignment, and justifying. So after that there comes a addentation. Addentation is the right addentation, like we have started this line from here. So this is a left addentation and this is a right addentation, and the text, whatever the text which we are typing, it will display in between these left and right addentation. So after this there comes a spacing. Spacing is a whatever the paragraph we want to write, we have the space which we are left at the top, and the space which we will left at the before the page is known as the spacing. Whatever the space we will start with, if we want to start a paragraph from here, that means this thing is vacant and this is known as a spacing. Then it comes a line spacing. When we are typing this paragraph and there are consist of 2 lines as we have done in this, so we have to choose from here, from home tab. In this ribbon format, we have to, from their home tab, we will choose the line spacing. Line spacing is 1.5 or 2.0. There was one, it starts from 1.0 and till 3.0. So whatever the gap between the 2 lines is known as a line spacing. Whatever the selection which we have done is known as a line spacing, and then we will choose the particular line spacing and text to type a paragraph. So in this complete session 1, modifying the layouts of a paragraph, it completes with this all topics, all advantages, or we can say that all different options which we have in a paragraph writing as a home tab. So this consists in a word processing. That's all for today. So please revise it at home also. I will take your test also, online test on Microsoft Word processing, and this is session 1. The next session we will cover in our next videos. Please be safe and stay home. Take care. Thank you so much.